Guess it's been a while, huh? It is insanely hot. It's like 37 degrees. Let's go out. What I'm trying to do now is I'm gonna go drive to Tribunj and find a place where I can hang out tomorrow because that car is too close for the comfort. Because I don't want to be searching for a place tomorrow, right? I am here for a week and a half, minus a couple of days that I've been already here, but I've been working, so I didn't have much time to explore. So I'm gonna go and try have a really good time. Park the car somewhere in the restaurant, so I hope that they will not tow me away. It says restaurants guests only. Yeah, I'm walking the opposite direction. This city seems to be so much more quieter than Vodice. So much more. There's like literally 5 people on the street right now. It's quite chill. It's actually really nice. There's a lot of spaces to park. A lot of electric vehicles riding around as well. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's much better than Vodice. It's too many people there. Too many. Headed to a little island in Tribunj. I don't actually know how it's called, if it actually has a name. There's this little bridge that leads to it. Let's see what's inside. Very chill, very chill. A lot of people sitting around, eating and drinking. Not that much noise or voice. Next up, I want to go up there. The car update, it's still on the same spot as it was before, by the restaurant. I hope I'm really not gonna get some because of that. It seems like I found a way up to the church. Oh, this way up is no joke. It's a small workout. Seems like there's more people on this hill than down in the city center. Okay, that should be the last stop. Okay, so the sun is slowly setting. I should probably take out the drone, get some sick drone shots. That was a success. Cool. I guess that today's mission of checking out if Tribunj is actually a much nicer place than Vodice turned out to be quite an adventure. I mean, it's a short adventure, but hope I'm not gonna die on the rocks here. Yeah, that sounds nice. As I was saying, today's mission to check out Tribunj went actually quite nice. Been here for like 2.5 hours. It seems quite chill, so much more chill than Vodice. There's so many people in there, and I actually wanted to spend the next day here. I wanted to check out where the beach is, whether we can park here, how are the people, and if there's something to do around the city. It seems like there is. Okay, I need to get off this island or whatever this is, head back to the car. Yeah. See ya.